I got it now. I'm trying to record it and I've messed up like 30 times. Okay, wait. Okay, are you ready?
I am ready.
Why does it do that? Okay, go. This is gonna work.
Oh, this is gonna work.
Yeah, this one's gonna work.
This one's gonna work. Oh yeah.
Yay! Okay, little ducky. It's okay, you can play with the grid for a little while.
You can play with the grid for a little while.
See? It brought it back to me.
Alright. That's good. That's good.
Were you aware that I'm not storing it, that the entire robot has to be inside the outside of the black line.
Watch this one not work.
It's gotta be
Oh, it does not work.
the outside of the black line.
I'm having way more purpose. I don't think I got any purpose last year.
Yay!
Whoop whoop.
Just likes to go over a little grid. Okay, bye.
They could do whatever they wanted to do, and many of them chose.
Back to the base. Oh, you're doing another one?
Yeah, it's gotta go to the center.
Oh. And now it's done?
Turn it off.